Hi everyone, it's Artist from Main Carpentry and Construction Limited. So we're in a job doing some bathroom and shower, and why I'm making this video to start with is that you never know, it might happen to you, and it happens to everyone. So when I was working, I wasn't even tiling the shower area, I was tiling up above the window, and what happened, unfortunately, tile fell, this little metro tile, and smashed our tray. I'll put a picture with the damage it caused. It's quite deep, and I think it gone through, you could see the micro cracks into the actual gel coat of the tray. So decision was made straight away to order a new one, but unfortunately, as it happens, even though we ordered for next day delivery, 11 o'clock in the morning, whatever it was, it didn't come. But I guess moral is of this video that even the tray was covered and it was pretty much finished in terms of tiling. It was literally, I had to do above the window and sides and a seal, so the walls were done. Moral is, I guess you never know what could happen. So I just flicked out of my hand and went straight into the tray, and it caused A, delays, B, it has caused obviously financial costs, unnecessary costs. Obviously I need to buy a tray, which was I think about £260, then time to rip it up, then time for plumber to put it back in, then obviously we can't put a bath in because the tray needs to go in, so we might even have to take one row of tiles off so we can go an angle, but we'll see. That's why I haven't really grouted it, so I think the first row will have to go, or one before last will have to go possibly. So yeah, really what you want to do, even though we had double dust sheets fitted, or laid, sorry, not fitted, I would say just buy cardboard or plywood or SB. They're not that expensive, up to £15 a sheet. Just cut yourself a protection just to avoid really the problem I have caused to myself. Obviously I straight away said to customer, I owned up, I said, look, I've damaged it, tile fell, I'll order a new one, and they suggested maybe we should get it repaired, but I think it's not correct. It's not the right thing to do. I've damaged it, it's their new shower, and I don't think we should be repairing it. We'll just should get a new one, like for like replacement, which we did. And as I said, unfortunately it hasn't arrived. I think it was due to storm, which we had recently. Not so much here in south, but probably up sort of Midlands, etc. and north. But they said it's coming in a couple of days only. But yeah, so don't think that it might not happen to you, because it could potentially. And next time when you do baths, showers, anything like that, just buy a sheet, cut the piece over it so it's 100% proof, just in case something falls on. It could be a screwdriver, it could be anything, And obviously, if luckily it wasn't finished, if it had been finished, I would probably have to take floor tiles up as well, because it wouldn't come out. So yeah, it can create the pain. So yeah, that's what I want to say really. Just make sure you are 100% covered on that front, and so it doesn't happen to you. So I hope someone will find it useful, and I catch up with you in our next videos.